Yo guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be taking a look at this hunk of junk, which is actually a crashed and burnt 1954 Ferrari 500 Mondial Spider Series 1 that just sold at an RM Sotheby's auction in California for an eye-watering price of $1,875,000. Yes guys, this very twisted hunk of metal sold for $1.8 million. Well, you'll be wondering, how in the world did it sell for such a high price? Well, first off, only 13 of these were ever made, and at some point in the early 60s it crashed and burnt. Not necessarily at the same time, but the specifics of the crash are unknown to date. But it got acquired in 1978 by Ferrari collector Walter Medlin, and it has been in exile in a barn for the past 45 years in this very condition. But it has finally resurfaced and it has been sold to a new owner. And coming to the main reason for its high selling price, and that is because Ferrari will be completely restoring and rebuilding it to its pre-crash appearance, and that means it will be drivable, and that on its own will set the owner back $1 million. And Ferrari are doing this due to its VIN number still being present on the car. Wow. But he didn't fret about the money, because in recent years pristine condition Ferrari Mondial Spiders have sold for as much as $5 million. Wow. What do you guys think of it? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching guys. Remember to hit that sub button and click the bell to ensure that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks a lot for watching guys. See ya.